Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we will learn about al-mudhaf wal-mudhaf ilayh, which is called murakkabun izafiyyun, which is one of the murakkabun naqisun. As we earlier learned that there are two types of sentence. Number one, murakkabun tammun, and number two, murakkabun naqisun. And murakkabun naqisun has various types of sentences. One of them is murakkabun izafiyun. So let's go to know about murakkabun izafiyun. Let's see and listen carefully. Mudhaf is a noun added or joined to a noun following it. It becomes noun or specific because of this joining. It means there will be two nouns and one noun will be joined to another noun, and the noun which is joined to another noun will be noun, becomes noun and specific because of this joining. Okay, inshallah, and we will understand with example after this explanation. Usually, a noun is joined in this pattern to express. Usually, a noun is joined is this in this pattern to express possessive meaning. That is why this is termed in grammar is genitive or possession. It means this type of sentence, which is called mudaf and mudaf ilayh, shows the possession, shows the ownership of one noun to another noun. Inshallah, we'll understand with example. Next, mudaf will lose its nunation while joining, as it will lose its noon if it is dual or sound masculine plural. It means that when a noun will be mudaf, at that time that noun will not come with tanween, will lose its nunation, means will not come with tanween, will be given single pesh, single zabar, single zair, not with tanween. Okay, and will not accept alif lam chu. alif lam भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा अगर कोई नाउन मुजाफ बनता है. And if a noun which is dual, for example rajulun, rajulane, which is dual of rajulun, if dual become mudaf or jama muzakkar salim become mudaf, dual it means tasniya or jama muzakkar salim will be mudaf. At that time the noon of tasniya and noon of, for example, muslimuna, which is jama muzakkar salim, and rajulane musanna tasniya, so noon of musanna or noon of jama muzakkar salim will be dropped if tasniya or jama muzakkar salim will be mudaf. Okay, next, mudaf ilayh is the noun which comes after mudaf. Yes, mudaf will come first and mudaf ilayh will come last, and it is always in genitive case, and genitive case means halatul jar. It means mudaf ilayh always will be majroor. Now let's understand with example these definitions, these rules. Look at these words and sentences. These mufradat, singular words, fina'un, meaning courtyard, al-madrasa, school. Both are separate words. But when we want to join these words as a mudaf and mudaf ilay, at that time, for example, we learn that mudaf will not accept tanween, fina'un with tanween, but when it will come as a mudaf, will be without tanween, will accept single page. For example, and al madrasa, which is marfu here, given pesh, but when it will become mudaf ilay, will be majroor, as we learn that mudaf ilay always will be majroor. For example, لعبنا في فناء المدرسة, we played in the yard of the school. So here fina'i. And one thing more you should keep in mind, that mudaf always, the i'rab of mudaf will be according to their amil, according to their context, but always will be single page, single zair, single zabar. It can accept page. It means it can be in halat al-rafa, it can be in halat al-jar, it can be in halat al-nasab, but will be given single zair, single zabar, single page, not double page, double zair, double zabar. See here. Here fina'i. لعبنا في فناء المدرسة. فنا'i because of fi. حرف jar, which is حرف jar. حرف jar came before fina. That's why fina'i given zair, which is حالة الجر. So في فناء المدرسة, and it's mudaf, and because of being mudaf will be given single zair, and al madrasati become mudaf ilay. That's why given zair also, because of being mudaf ilay, as we learn that mudaf ilay always will be majroor, and mudaf will be according to the context. Sometime it can be marfu, sometime it can be majroor, sometime it can be mansub. And you saw the example of majroor here, because of fi, mudaf is majroor here. And one thing more, fina'il madrasati, the courtyard or yard of madrasa. So here fina'un, showing the possession of madrasa, ownership, a kind of ownership. That's why these kind of sentences is called mudaf or mudaf ilay, which is called in English possession. Okay, next sentence. Qitarun, singular word, single word, which is come with tanween, and as-sabahu, single word, which came with pesh, and single pesh because of alif lam. So when we will use qatar as mudaf and as-sabah as mudaf ilay, at that time what become? Let's see. Rakibtu qitar as-sabahi. Rakibtu, we got in the morning train, the train of morning train. So here qitara is used as maf'ul, which is as a mudaf, which becomes maf'ul of rakibtu, fail and fa'il and maf'ul. قطار الصباحي, قطار الصباحي, قطار مضاف, الصباحي مضاف إليه, and الصباحي given there because this word is become mudaf ilay, and mudaf ilay always will be majroor. And qitara is given zabar because of being maf'ul bihi of rakibtu. So rakibtu fail and fa'il, qitara mudaf, as-sabahi mudaf ilay, mudaf and mudaf ilay. After joining these mudaf and mudaf ilay become maf'ul bihi. Fail and fa'il and maf'ul bihi. After joining all these will be al-jumlatul fi'liyah. So here qitara mudaf is mansub because of being maf'ul bihi, and fina'i mudaf is majroor here because of majroor of harf jar fi, Let's see the next example. Ra'isun, single word with tanween. Al-wazara'a. Wal-wazara'u is marfu because of single word, and given single page will be given single page because of alif lam. Let's see the use of in the sentences. Ja'a ra'isul wazara'i fi barus. Ja'a, ja'a fail. Ra'isu mudaf, al-wazara'i mudaf ilay. One thing always should keep in mind that mudaf ilay will be always majroor, and mudaf can be majroor, can be marfu, can be mansoob. As here majroor because of fi, here mudaf is mansoob because of being maf'ul bihi, and here mudaf is marfu because of being file. Ja'a ra'isu, ra'isul wazara. Prime Minister came. Who came? Ra'isul wazara. So Ra'is is file. Doer here. That's why become marfu. And al wazara'i become majroor because of being mudaf ilay. Let's see next example. Ajalatane ad-darrajatu. Ajlatan, wheels. Two wheels. Wheels of darraja, bicycle or bike. Ad-darrajatun, cycle. So let's see the use of, and we learn that when tasniya, which is tasniya, ajalatan is tasniya, ajalatun, tasniya, ajalatan, jama, ajalat. Okay. So ajalatun wahid and ajalatan is tasniya. So when tasniya will be used as mudaf, at that time the noon of mudaf, noon of tasniya will be which is becoming mudaf will be dropped. For example, in kasarat ajalatad darrajati, both wheels of the cycle broken, ya broke. Both wheels of cycle broke. So ajalatan, it was ajalatan ad-darrajati, but because of being muzaf, noon of ajalatan dropped. Its rule, when tasniya or jama muzakkar salim will be muzaf. Look at the second example. Muallimuna, teachers. Al-madrasatu, school. When muallimun, which is jama muzakkar salim, will be as mudaf, will be the noon of muallimun will be dropped. Look at the example. Jaa muallimul madrasa, not muallimun al madrasa. Muallimul madrasa, because muallimun is mudaf. That's why muallimu, noon of muallimun will be dropped because of being mudaf, will be muallimul madrasati, and madrasati is majroor here because of being mudaf ilay, and darrajati here majroor is because of being mudaf ilay, and ajalata and muallimu, the noon of ajalata and noon of muallimu are dropped because of being mudaf. Its rule that when tasniya and jama muzakkar salim will be mudaf, the noon of tasniya and jama muzakkar salim will be dropped. So it was the definition and rules and explanation of mudaf and mudaf ilay. Inshallah, now after this explanation, it will be easy for you to understand mudaf and mudaf ilay, and to do the exercise of lesson number 7, exercise number 3 and 4. That's it for today. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.